Hey children, this is your SST class. Let's do the question answers and exercises of lesson number 6 today. I hope you might have read the lesson again and there is no need to mug up the things. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Water covers a large part of the earth's surface and forms the dash. What is that? Hydrosphere. Wherever hydro comes, that means water only. So keep this in mind. Hydro is always related to water. Hydrosphere. Sphere spelling should be correctly written. Hydrosphere. You need to learn the spellings. Dash is the domain of the earth that contains all forms of life. What is that? Biosphere. Biosphere. B-I-O. Biosphere. Continents are large dash separated by large water bodies. What are they? Land masses. Continents are land masses, no? Land. Big lands. So land masses it is called. Land masses. Together the landmass of Asia and Europe is called Eurasia. What is it? Eurasia. Europe and Asia. Eurasia. The dash separates Asia from Africa. Suez Canal. Pronunciation Suez Canal. The South Pole lies at the center of Antarctica. C should be there. Don't forget to write this C in between. Antarctica. First you write ant, then you write arc, A-R-C, arc, then you write tica, T-I-C-A. Clear? This way you will not forget. Dash is surrounded by water bodies on three sides and has Arctic Circle passing through it. Which is that continent? Europe. Europe. Dash ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. The Pacific. Don't write only Pacific. The Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Clear? Write true or false for the following statements. The Greek word lithos means life. No, it's false. Europe covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the world. No, false. North America is linked to South America by the Isthmus of Panama. Yes, clear. It's true. And Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean after Pacific Ocean. Yes, it's also true. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into 3 layers. False. How many layers are there? You know the answer. Yes? 5 layers. The ozone layer in the atmosphere helps to protect the earth from the sun's radiation. Yes, true. The biosphere includes everything living on the earth, including humans, animals, plants, and insects. True. These question answers I'm going to give in the end. So this question, this one part 4 we will do first. Answer in one word. Are you able to see? Yes. Large landmass separated by large water bodies. What are they? Continents. The mountain range that separates Asia and Europe. The Ural. The Ural. U-R-A-L. Second largest continent in the world. Africa. The hottest desert in the world. The Sahara. The world's largest mountain range. The Andes. The continent through which all the 3 latitudes pass. Africa. Come to the next page. The deepest part of the earth, Mariana Trench. Where it is? Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean. Only ocean named after a country, Indian Ocean. The layer in the atmosphere that helps to protect the earth from the sun's radiation, ozone layer. Or you can only write ozone also because the layer it is given, ozone. The area around the planet earth where life exists, that is biosphere. Biosphere. Sphere spelling you need to write correctly. Most of you make a mistake while writing this. Children, now let's move on to the question answers. What is the first question? Write a short note on the 4 domains of the earth. Which are the 4 domains of the earth? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So little bit we need to write. If in exam it is asked, write a short note on the 4 domains of the earth, then only you need to explain. If they'll give you the question, name the 4 domains of the earth, then you need to give only the names. Understood? Then you need not explain. Now they have asked you to write the short note. Short note means you have to write something about them. Then only you need to write. Lithosphere, solid portion where we live. Hydrosphere, it is made up of water. Atmosphere, it is the layer of the earth around the earth. Biosphere, land, water, air and air work together in this domain. Clear? In the beginning, you might have read about these. Lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth on which we live. Next question is, describe the continents of Asia and Africa. Asia is the largest continent of the world. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the world. Tropic of Cancer passes through it. This much is enough. You can write. Africa. About Africa is the second largest continent of the world. It has highest population also. It is surrounded by water on all 3 sides. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator pass through this continent. Understood? Now, next question is, what do you mean by hydrosphere? I already told you wherever hydro comes, that means water. So, hydrosphere comprises of water in all forms, like water in seas, oceans and rivers, ice in glaciers and water vapor in atmosphere. Clear? This much is enough to write. How many oceans are there in the world? Describe them. See, describe them they have given. That means you have to describe. Write something about the oceans. If the question is, how many oceans are there in the world? So you will write, there are 5 oceans in the world. Only this much. Understood? They have told you to explain it. That means you have to name and explain them. There are 5 oceans in the world. The Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Next, the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. It is the busiest ocean from the point of trade. Clear? I hope it is visible to you. The Indian Ocean. It is named after our country India. It is the 3rd largest ocean. Understood? The Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean. It encircles the continent of Antarctica. It is It is very cold ocean with floating icebergs. The Arctic Ocean. It is around the north pole of the earth. It is the smallest ocean. Its water is less salty as compared to other oceans. Hope this is clear to you. Now comes the next question. What is the atmosphere? What is it made of? Atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the earth. It is made up of mostly nitrogen, 78%, the oxygen, 21%, and the other gases like argon, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. And also you may write and carbon dioxide. And you can write and carbon dioxide 1%. Clear? Next is, why is the atmosphere important for the earth? Why is the atmosphere important for the earth? Atmosphere is important for the earth in the following ways. It absorbs the heat from the sun and keeps the earth warm. It keeps the overall temperature stable between day and night. The ozone layer protects the earth from harmful radiation of the sun. Understood? Next question is, what do you mean by biosphere? Biosphere is the area around the planet Earth where life exists. It includes humans, animals, plants, and insects. Clear? With this we come to the end of the exercises. Learn them, children, and complete your work in your notebooks also. Now lesson number 5 and 6 you have to prepare for UTs which are to be held in November. Now next time onwards I will be giving you short exercises for revision.